Ika, and we are privileged to have Sianne on the phone right now. Kia ora, Sianne.
Kia ora, tēnā koe.
Kei te pēhea.
Kei te whai ahau.
No, pai te rongo i a koe e te manuti ori. And, you know, we're loving that waiata that you just wrote. And I'm kind of guessing, is it about your pepe?
Yeah, Azalea is about my pepe. Her name's Azalea. She's my oldest. Yeah, she's my world.
All right, so I know you've been very busy in this time of a lockdown tuatahi. How is lockdown going for you right now? And Pepe?
It's great. I feel like it's a time of rest. It's a little holiday, I guess, looking at it as in a positive light. It's a time to rest and just enjoy the people that you really love and do those hobbies that you haven't quite done because of work and, you know, mahi and all that. It's a blessed time for our country, I guess.
Oh,
to rest.
Can't wait. And I know you've got a few things in the pipeline planned out, and thank you for this new waiata. We are loving it. But before we jam this new track, I want to know, what else have you got planned?
I've got a song release in 2 weeks. I've got another song coming out called Reach Out. It's just about reaching out when you need that loving, that help, you know, speaking to someone. And we don't know what tomorrow brings for us.
Te Ika.
So, you know, valuing our time with each other. And I also got some Māori music coming up. Really excited to share that with you.
Yes.
I've been really busy studying last year and the year before that. So this year I'm just focusing on my music and, yeah, I'm really excited. It's the first time I've ever put my heart and soul into my music and, yeah.
We're excited. We're so excited to hear that you've got some good music on the way, and like, you know, we're loving your reo waiata I tēnei wai and all the music you've already brought out.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
Kei te koro mō etahi o au nā tuhituinga, how do you come up with, you know, the lyrics and the kind of kaupapa of your writing or your songs?
I guess it's just about life experiences, you know. We all live and we all share the same kind of experiences and just relating them into and putting them into a song, you know. Yeah, that's about it, eh?
Ka mau te wehu. And in this next Māori waiata, what are some of the influences that you're going to pull from to create some, you know, have you written about?
Yeah. All right, so this he waiata Māori e pana ki te ao hau. It's about the new world and how we need to grasp it. We need to grasp the glimmer of it, the positivity of it, and just look at all the positives in life, not the negatives. So,
I can't wait. I can't wait to hear when this waiata comes out. You'll keep in touch with us, ne, when it happens.
Yes, of course, man.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes. All right, so this lockdown, I mean, it's what a kind of suiting subject that is, because right now it's pretty much blasé at the moment. Who knows how we're going to come out of this lockdown? The whole world could change. Yeah,
well, it's a world epidemic, and it's a massive thing, and it's going to be world changing the way we interact with each other, the way we go shopping and everything. You know, we're just going for essentials at the moment, but we got to look forward to how it's going to look like in the future and protecting our tamariki and our future generations from these kind of things. So, just got to respect it. Yeah.
I think that's exactly it. Me whakaaro nui mō tai tamariki, ko rātou te āpōpō. All right, so your new track for you. Tell us a bit about this waiata before I bust it out, before I play it for our iwi.
Right, so this song came out when I was about 16. I wrote this song. It was about one of my best friends. He was there from the beginning, you know. He was always there for me. And I found out this friend actually loved me, and I didn't realize for a long time. And so I wrote this song for him. It's from his perspective of what love is for me, and that he would always wait for me no matter what. And so it's called For You. I hope you enjoy the song. Yeah.
Tēnā koe, Sianne. Tēnei mātou te upoko o Te Ika e mihi atu nei ki a koe te tuahine. Keep these waiata coming out, and I'm super excited.
Thank you.
I'm super excited to play this track for our iwi. But I want to just say thank you so much, and I'm going to be in touch in the next couple of weeks when these new waiata of yours come out as well. Hoi anō e te iwi. Anei rā, te waiata hau, Sianne, e kia nei for you. I runga I tō reo irirangi Māori, Te Upoko o Te Ika. Sianne, thank you very much, ne?
Thank you, Paora. Wakite.
E hika mā anei rā tēnei waiata hau, taringa mai ki tēnei. It's going to bring up your wairua, lift the spirits up mo tēnei o nā haora, he waiata miharo, he waiata hākoakoa, he waiata ātāhua. Taringa mai ki tēnei o ngā manuti ori, tēnei waiata hau for you. I runga I tō reo irirangi Māori.
Searching for some loving from you, baby. I can't seem to find it nowhere. Tell me, is it going somewhere else? You know what? Please don't tell me, because I'm stuck